In this question, different solutions are given. We have to identify the one which can be used as Bayer's reagent. Bayer's reagent is also known as Bayer's solution or Bayer's test solution. This is used in organic chemistry to test for the presence of unsaturated compounds, specifically alkenes and alkynes. It is a solution of potassium permanganate in basic medium. When an alkene or alkyne react with Bayer's reagent, the purple color of the potassium permanganate disappears and a brown precipitate of manganese dioxide will be produced. This reaction indicates the presence of double or triple bond in the compound being tested. So this test is also known as Bayer's test. Now let's come to the options given here. In the first option, it says that the acidic potassium permanganate solution is Bayer's reagent. This is the wrong answer. And the second statement says acidic potassium dichromate solution. This is also wrong. In the third statement, it says that this Bayer's reagent is a cold dilute aqueous solution of potassium permanganate. This is the correct statement, and option D is also wrong. That is the concentrated solution of potassium permanganate. So the correct answer is option C.